honorable teachers, distinguished guests, and dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I'm the younger sister of Muhammad Umar Hayat Shahid, and I'm very thankful for giving me this opportunity to come over here and present few words in the favor and the honor of him. Let me begin with one simple question. Is the greatness of a life really measured by its length or by the impact it leaves behind? Muhammad Umar Hayat Shahid's life, though short, but it continued to guide many people and inspire him. For me, he was a brother, a protective and a loving brother. To his friends, he was a loyal, supportive, and trustworthy. To his teachers, he was a very brilliant and hard-working student, and also called him as the shining star of APS. Even at a young age, he showed leadership, not through authority like the other rulers or the leaders do, but through character, discipline, and kindness. Having these qualities, he became a house captain of his school. According to the Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that, and do not say about those who are killed in the way of Allah, but they are not dead. Rather, they are alive, but you do not perceive it. Umar was a brilliant and hard-working student who secured top position in the wing of honor in his class 8. Despite his success, he remained humble, respectful, and soft-spoken. He believed that the success is not measured by marks only, rather it is measured by character. On 16 December 2014, Pakistan faced one of its darkest days in its history. My brother's identity was only that he was a student, holding books, carrying hopes, and hoping for a bright future. Dear students, you are the living continuation of his legacy. So, be brave, be strong in faith, be sincere in learning, be humble in success, and be leaders in characters. Carry your pens with purpose and with your knowledge, with integrity. As a sister, the pains of his loss never fades. But alongside great immense pride comes. Because the martyr's death is not an end. It is the life of a nation. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant him highest ranks in Jannah and accept this sacrifice. Thank you for having me.